Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with another unboxing video, and excuse my look, I'm just back from work and I just got something in the mail, so I thought let's unbox it together. So this is my Ipsy bag if I'm not mistaken. So it comes in a regular pink bubble wrap. So let's see what we have this month. I have not seen the spoilers and I have not seen any unboxing videos, so everything will be new for me as well. Ooh, nice. So this month the bag looks like this. It's an orange and yellow bag. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription for US and it's $10 US free shipping. It doesn't come to $10 for Canada. With shipping and the US exchange, it comes to about $17 to $18. It has 4 to 5 products. They're not usually full size, but they do carry very good brands. And let's see what we have this month. So this is what the box looks like, the bag looks like today. And the first thing that popped out is actually two face masks. So I have Juice Up Blackberry mask, and I'm not sure what this is, all written in Korean. And the other one is a kale one. So one is a blackberry and one is a kale one. So these are the two masks. I'm not sure if these count as 2 items or not. We shall find out. Let's get opening the bag. It's fabric this month. It's not soft or faux leather or anything like that. So this is the info card, and the theme for this month is selfie with no filter, confidence level. That's what it says at the back here. And we have, this is August 2018. So the first product that comes out in my hand is, this is a Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream by Answer From, and it's an instant hydration moisture cream. So this is also, it seems like made in Korea, so this is also Korean. I do not have a price card here for some reason, so I'm not sure about the prices. If I do find them, I will link them in the bottom bar below. So this one is enriched with black raspberry fruit, black wild cherry fruit, black chokeberry fruit extractors, and it's gel-like. So I shall give this a try and we shall see how well this performs. The next thing that comes in my hand is this box. It's from Ciare London, Glow 2 Highlighter, Illuminating Powder Highlighter. So let's see how this looks. This is a single individual pan. Now I am not a big fan of single individual pans because I do not have Z palettes as such. However, I do have a Makeup Forever Z palette. Maybe I can pop that in there. I love Ciare London for the lipsticks. Those were one of my favorite and most comfortable mattes. So let's give a swatch. This one. Ooh, that is quite glowy. And this is in the shade Moon Dust. So that's another product for you. So far I have 1, and the face mask 2, and then the cream 3. The next thing that's coming in my hand is from Bang Beauty. Now Bang Beauty was also featured in BoxyCharm this month, and they gave a color liner. If you want to see the unboxing of the BoxyCharm, I shall link it somewhere up here. Take a look, and I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't say anything. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. So this is an eyeshadow. Oh, how cute. It's actually a quad, and it says smoky at the back, so I'm guessing it's a smoky eyeshadow palette. That's adorable. I'm going to give a quick swatch of a couple of colors here. So I'm going to swatch them right here. Not bad. I will not say they are super awesome or anything like that, but this color is very interesting. I shall definitely give it a try. Going for camping very recently, so this shall definitely come in use over there because it's super compact and super cute. So that's that. And the last product that I don't have anything else is Pixie by Petra. I'm always excited for products by Pixie. I actually love their products. I do have their eyeliner and their mist, and I love it. So this one's actually a a blush, and I love blushes. So this one's in the shade Beach Rose, and it's fully packaged. So let me try and open this up for you guys. It's a very good size. I believe this is a full size. So let me see if I can swatch it for you. Not sure if this is going to show. It's very light.